Welcome to Victor's Analytics Hub. In this video, I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be solving a problem using Microsoft Excel, a business problem to be precise, using Microsoft Excel. I don't see a lot of YouTubers do this, but I feel like it's very important to know how to solve a business problem using, or any problem at all, using Microsoft Excel. So, so you already see the question on my screen. So I hope while I was busy talking, you pause the video and read through the question. So here I have a company that produces two types of custom designed clothing items, either from silk or cotton. And we are trying to model possible different projections or different increases in cost for each one. So before I proceed now, I'm going to name my worksheet here now. I'm going to name it. So first I'm going to name it center, and I'm going to call this fabric creation company. Now I'm going to give this name a very nice heading. Okay, so now we have to look at the way this company spends money. And by doing that, we need to look at the resources. So what are the resources? So we have the and silk and cotton. So how many years? How many years is required per yard? So both require 2 years each. Now what is the unit cost? So each yard costs. So for silk, 12.75 dollars, and for cotton, 8.50. 8.50. Let me drag this out a bit. Okay, so now my material cost is going to be, I forgot to, now don't mind me, I just, what I'm doing here is not that important, but I just like doing it. So my material cost is going to be, for me to get to material cost, all I have to do is just to multiply this, multiply by this, and I drag my formula. So let me find the labor cost. Labor. So how many hours is required to, to produce one clothing item? So 3 hours for silk and 3 hours for cotton. So how much is being paid? How much is being paid per hour? Unit cost. So $24 is being paid. So $24 is being paid. So now what is my labor cost? It's my labor cost. So to get my labor cost, I just have to multiply again. 24 multiplied by the number of hours. So I get 72. I have to drag it over. Okay, so we have gotten the cost of our labor and the cost of our silk and cotton. So this is where the modeling comes in, because we have anticipated annual increase. We have anticipated annual cost increase for both our silk, our cotton, and our labor. So I'm just going to write that down here. Anticipated anticipated annual cost increase, which is So for my silk, I have 2.20%. 2.20. So for my cotton, I have 1.80. 1.80%. So for my labor, 1.5, 1.75, 1.75. I'm just going to write it here because 1.75, there is no better place to write it again. Okay, now so now I'm going to build a model. No, I want to explore the growth. I'm building a model to explore the growth of rates in fabrics and labor costs. Okay, so to build a model, obviously what it means is just to build a table. So I'm building a table. I'm labeling it silk, cotton. Okay, and before I forget to tell you guys, whenever I want to make a projection, always build a table. Before you even go ahead to plot your chart. Because typically charts they come from tables. They all come from tables. So we have label, we have label, we have okay, total costs for silk. Okay, total costs for cotton. Okay. Okay, now I have to put my number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can solve these things. Wait, let me do something. These are numbers, so it's not even supposed. Let me undo that. Okay, let me create my table of borders. Let me center everything. Okay, let me bold it. Okay, I know most of you might be wondering what zero is in here. What zero simply is my current year. That's what it just means, my current year. So what is the current cost of my silk? 25.50. The current cost of my cotton, 17. My labor. Okay, if you see now, if you look at these two now, the labor cost for my cotton and silk both are the same thing. So it doesn't matter which one you choose. Just so far they're the same thing. So for the sake of this example, I'm just going to choose this one. So uh total cost for silk, this plus this. Total cost for cotton, sorry, this plus this. Okay, now this is where my projection is going to come into place. Now it's going to come into place because I have my anticipated annual cost increase. So, and for me to be able to project these prices forward, I need to use the formula of percentage increase. And listen closely, percentage increase. So for me to do this now, the formula for percentage increase is this number plus this same number multiplied by the percentage increase. Now I'm going to use my absolute reference there because I want to, when I'm done, I'm going to copy my formula down. Okay, so do the same one for this. This plus this multiplied by the percentage increase. My okay, Okay, this plus this, now multiply it by the percentage increase, and I'm adding my absolute reference. Okay, so okay, so now these are the anticipated cost increase in the next coming years. So in the next 5 years, these are the costs of silk cotton labor. I know, here are the total. So now let me go ahead and insert my chart. I just cleared what I did. Okay, so I'll select everything here. Okay, apply. I need a title. Okay, fabric creation company. Price projection. So I need a, okay, not this. Okay, I need this. I'll call this my year. Okay, what else? What else? Okay, wait. Data labels. Yeah, I need my data labels. Okay, now I think that's it. So if you found this video very difficult, you can always rewatch, keep rewatching the videos until it sticks. Okay, I think that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like and share.